Hello. Welcome to the City Museum. It is wonderful to see you today.
Hi, thank you so much. It is my first time visiting this museum.
That is wonderful. We love first-time visitors. Is there anything special you would like to see?
Actually, I am not sure what you have here. Can you tell me about the museum?
Of course, we have many sections: ancient history, dinosaurs, art, and science.
That sounds amazing. There is so much to explore.
Yes, there is. Would you like a quick tour? I can show you the highlights.
Yes, please. I would love that. Thank you for offering.
My pleasure. Let us start this way. Follow me, please.
Okay, I am right behind you.
Over here, you can see our ancient Egyptian section. It is very popular.
Wow, look at these statues. They look absolutely amazing.
They are more than 2,000 years old. Can you believe it?
Really? That is unbelievable. 2,000 years is such a long time.
Yes, they were discovered near the Nile River in Egypt many years ago.
How did they get here to this museum?
They were gifts from the Egyptian government. We are very lucky to have them.
They are so well preserved. The details are incredible.
Our team works very hard to protect them.
I can see that. Can I take a photo here?
Sure, you can take photos, but please turn off the flash.
Okay, no problem. I will use natural light only.
Perfect. The flash can damage old artifacts over time.
I understand. I will be very careful.
Great.
Now, let me show you something exciting.
This way, please.
Where are we going next?
To the dinosaur section. You will find amazing fossils there.
Oh, I love dinosaurs. I have been fascinated by them since I was a child.
Many visitors say the same thing. It is everyone's favorite part of the museum.
I can imagine why. Dinosaurs are so mysterious and interesting.
Wait until you see our T-Rex skeleton. It is enormous.
I cannot wait. This museum is really beautiful and well organized.
Thank you so much. We are very happy you are enjoying your visit.
I definitely am. I will tell all my friends to come and visit too.
That would be wonderful. We appreciate that very much.
How long does it take to see the whole museum?
Most visitors spend about 2 to 3 hours here.
Perfect. I have plenty of time today.
Excellent. Take your time and enjoy every section.
Good morning. It is nice to see you today.
Good morning. How are you doing this fine day?
I am doing very well, thank you. The weather looks really nice today.
Yes, it is beautiful. The sun is shining brightly.
I love sunny days like this. Yesterday was so different.
You are right. Yesterday was very cloudy. The sky was completely gray.
True, and it also rained a little in the afternoon.
Yes, I remember. I got caught in the rain without an umbrella.
Oh no, that is not fun. Did you get very wet?
A little bit. I had to run to find shelter.
That sounds uncomfortable. Do you like rainy days in general?
Sometimes I do. Rain can be relaxing when you are inside.
I agree. Reading a book with rain outside is very peaceful.
Exactly. But I prefer sunny days like today.
Same here. Sunny days make me feel happy and energetic.
Me too. I feel like going outside and doing something active.
The sky looks so clear and blue right now, not a single cloud.
It is perfect. Do you think the weather will change later?
I checked the forecast this morning. It might rain in the evening.
Oh, really? Then I should carry an umbrella just in case.
Good idea. It is always better to be safe than sorry.
You are right. I do not want to get wet again.
What is the temperature today? Do you know?
I think it is around 25 degrees Celsius.
That is perfect. Not too hot and not too cold.
Yes, very comfortable weather. Great for being outdoors.
This is perfect weather for a walk in the park.
That is a wonderful idea. The park must be beautiful today.
It is. The flowers are blooming and the trees are green.
Maybe I will go there after work today.
You should. It is very relaxing to walk in nature.
I agree. Fresh air is good for the mind and body.
Yes. Let us enjoy this nice weather while it lasts.
Absolutely. Who knows what tomorrow will bring?
That is true. Every sunny day is a gift.
Well said. Have a wonderful day today.
Thank you. You too. Enjoy the sunshine.
Good morning, sir. Welcome on board Flight 247 to Paris.
Good morning. Thank you very much.
We are happy to have you with us today. May I see your boarding pass, please?
Sure, of course. Here it is.
Thank you. Let me check your seat assignment.
I hope I got a good seat.
Great news! Your seat is 14A. That is a window seat.
Perfect. I love window seats. I can watch the clouds.
Many passengers prefer window seats. The view is beautiful.
Yes, especially during takeoff and landing.
Your seat is just down this aisle on the left side.
Thank you. I will find it.
Please let me know if you need any help with your luggage.
I think I can manage. My bag is not too heavy.
Very good. Once you are settled, would you like something to drink?
Yes, please. Can I have some orange juice?
Of course. Would you like ice with that?
No, thank you. Just the juice is fine. I prefer it without ice.
No problem. Here you go. 1 orange juice.
Thank you so much. This is very refreshing.
You are welcome. Is there anything else I can get for you, sir?
Actually, yes. Do you have any sandwiches available?
Yes, we do. We have chicken sandwiches and cheese sandwiches today.
I will take a chicken sandwich, please. I'm quite hungry.
Excellent choice. I will bring it to you right away.
Thank you. I appreciate your help.
Here is your chicken sandwich, sir. Enjoy.
This looks delicious. Thank you very much.
Is there anything else you need? A blanket or pillow, perhaps?
A blanket would be nice. It is a little cold in here.
Of course. Here is a blanket for you.
Thank you. You are very kind.
How long is your stay in Paris?
About 1 week. I'm going for a vacation.
How wonderful! Paris is a beautiful city.
Yes, I have always wanted to visit. This is my first time.
You will love it. The food and the sights are amazing.
I'm very excited. Any recommendations?
You must visit the Eiffel Tower and try the croissants.
I will definitely do that. Thank you for the suggestion.
You're welcome. Please enjoy your flight.
Thanks, I will. Have a nice day.
You too, sir. We will land in about 3 hours. Good morning. Welcome to Central Train Station.
Good morning. Thank you. I need some help, please.
Of course. How can I help you today?
I would like to buy a ticket to London.
London? That is a popular destination. When would you like to travel?
Today, if possible. I need to get there soon.
Okay, let me check the schedule. Do you want a one-way or return ticket?
A return ticket, please. I will come back on Sunday.
That is fine. When do you want to return on Sunday?
In the evening, maybe around 6 or 7.
We have a train at 6:30 on Sunday evening.
That sounds perfect. And what about today?
The next train to London leaves at 10:30 this morning.
10:30. That gives me about 40 minutes. Perfect timing.
Yes, you have plenty of time to get to the platform.
Great. How long is the journey to London?
It is about 2.5 hours. Very comfortable journey.
That is not bad at all. Is there a dining car on the train?
Yes, there is. You can buy snacks, drinks, and hot meals.
Wonderful. How much is the return ticket?
The return ticket costs $25.
That is reasonable. Do you accept credit cards?
Yes, we accept cash and cards. Both are fine.
Great. Here is my card.
Thank you. Let me process that for you.
Sure. Take your time.
All done. Here is your ticket and receipt.
Thank you very much for all your help today.
My pleasure. Enjoy your trip and have a great time.